This video is going to focus on the quadruped position, which just means hands and knees. And what's happening at my abdomen is really important. So that's why I'm just in the sports bra. So please, when you are doing these at home, wear whatever is comfortable. I will say that doing the hands and knees exercises with like really high-waisted pants sometimes can make it difficult to feel like you're doing it correctly because those pants are helping hold everything in. So score one for sweatpants and pajamas, whatever you're doing these exercises. But for the purpose of the video, I'm dressed like this, really just so that you can see what my tummy's doing. Okay, so we're going to do the foundational movement first, which is just in hands and knees with the breathing. Okay, so you're going to get on hands and knees, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a breath in. So you're going to inhale and really let your belly hang down and just let everything out. Now again, these are pulled up a little bit, so it may be a little bit more challenging to see, but we'll do our best. So take that breath in. See my tummy drop down, and then exhale. Pull that belly button up towards your spine, okay? So this is just the quadruped transverse abdominal activation. Breathe in. Belly hangs down. Let it all hang out. Exhale. Really pull that belly button towards your spine. Notice when I engage my core, I'm not arching great big. Spine is staying nice and neutral. It's really just about getting a stretch on that muscle with the inhale and then using the weight of your abdominal organs as resistance whenever you bring them back up. Okay? So foundational quadruped with TA activation, that's what this exercise means. Okay? Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Now the next one is going to be sort of a level 2 off of that. So once you feel like you've mastered this one, you can start to involve some of your limbs. So the level 2 one would involve raising your arm up. So it's going to look like this. Same setup. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now I'm bringing one arm up and then back down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring the arm up. Now, a lot of times I'll have patients ask me, does it matter if I do all on one arm versus all on alternating? And truthfully, it doesn't matter. Whatever makes it easier for you to remember and to count. So you would do 10 to 15 on each arm with that movement. So that's sort of a level 2. Level 3 is going to involve your legs. Now this is going to be much harder because your legs are providing a lot more support in this exercise than your arms are. And they weigh more than your arms do. So bringing that leg back is going to be more of a challenge to stay in that correct position. So same setup. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then bring that arm back, or that leg back, excuse me. Now when you are first learning to do this, you can just kind of bring it back and then come back down. That's okay. You don't have to straighten the leg all the way, but that is eventually the goal, to be able to lift that leg all the way back without feeling like a whole lot of rotation is happening at your spine. The more engaged your core is, it's going to help stabilize that pelvis while you move a limb. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. This would be, remember, level 3 with leg movement. So you're going to breathe in, exhale, set that foundation, bring that leg back, and then come back down. Now, I like to not take my breath in until my limb is back in contact with the floor, really to make sure that I keep some good engagement the whole time. Some patients like to exhale to help remind them that they are supposed to be engaging that core, and that's fine too. It's whatever works for you. Okay. Now, level 4 is going to be what's called bird dog. So it is opposite arm, opposite leg. So it's going to be the most challenging. Okay, same sort of setup. Breathe in, breathe out. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Come back down. Now, when you're first kind of jumping up to the next level with these exercises, just shoot for bringing it out and back in. You do not have to hold it for a certain amount of time. You will build up to that as you work on the endurance as well. So let me show you one more time. So you're going to breathe in, breathe out. We'll switch. So I've got left arm, right leg, and then I come back down. Start with 5, build yourself up to 10 or 15, and that's a really nice way to sort of progress yourself through core stabilization with different leg movement.